So today, it's December 26, and every after Christmas, yung Walmart, nagpi 50% off sila sa lahat ng mga Christmas stuff nila. So today, we went there, and we grabbed some stuff. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you what we got from Walmart. So the first thing that we grabbed is this decorative fabric, yung mesh. So ito siya. So tatlo yung kinuha ng asawa ko. And it's $7.98 yung regular price niya. Pero today naka 50% off siya. And then he also picked up ornament, yung cross sign, dalawa, and it says believe in faith. So that's how it look like. And he also picked up the decor, and it says here, for unto us a child is born. So ito yung hitsura niya. Ano siya, $1.98, tapos minus 50% off. And the other one is joy to the world, the Lord is come. So yan siya, same price din, plus 50% off. And then he also get this ornament hooks, dalawang tag 200 pieces sa loob, kulay green, and it's 98 cents. That's how it look like. So he picked up two, siya, 98 cents, tapos 50% off pa siya. And he also picked up this another hooks, yung silver. So meron naman siyang 150 pieces sa loob. So ayan, dalawa rin yung kinuha niya. And he also picked up this 6 mini bowls, and it's $1.98 minus 50%. And then this one, I grabbed this one. This is the Body and Earth hand lotion. Meron siyang 6 pieces inside. That's how it looks like. And meron siyang sugar cookies, peppermint dreams, gingerbread. Meron ding snowflakes bliss, jolly holly, and the vanilla noel. So 6 pieces inside, and original price niya is $4.98, tapos minus 50% off. So there you go. And then my husband also picked up this hot sauce. You can see it close. Ano siya, guys? Brewer 6 packs, and may 6 bottles inside. Merong spicy garlic hot sauce, merong Jackson mango habanero, may Asian teriyaki hot sauce, merong Ali House habanero hot sauce, merong perfect craft jalapeno hot sauce, and the last one is chipotle hot sauce. So yeah, 6 na tig 148 ml. So tas yung original price nito is $9.98, tapos minus 50% off today. So yan. And then I also pick up this 3 gift card holders. So yeah, ano siya, $1.48. So gagamitin natin yan for Christmas next year. And then I also pick up this Christmas card. Ang cute niya. Yung mga Christmas tree with snows, and then merong red truck, tapos may Christmas tree sa likod. And there's 18 pieces inside the box. So I pick up those for next year. And then I also get this tablecloth rectangle. And this is for $1. See? Ang ganda ng ano niya. Ang ganda ng design niya. Oh. Tingnan niyo. For $1. Diba? Save. And then my husband picked up this window cling. And it says, "Oh come, let us adore him." So, ayan. And this one, I grabbed this gift wrap tissue. Simple lang siya guys, yung puti. Tapos meron siyang mga dot-dot na different colors. So, I just grabbed 2. And then, I also pick up this Countdown to Christmas Advent Calendar. Meron siyang 24 boxes inside. So, para ano to, for next year. And then, 24 boxes. Then, there's sticker sheets in each boxes. So, yeah. So, there are those. Dyan. And then, I saw this one. This is the Kid Slipper Grinch. So, I was thinking, na ano, for next year. Ano ko lang muna siya. Itatago ko muna siya. Tapos, ibibigay ko siya kay Sam for next year, maybe. And this is $8.98. Tapos, minus 50% siya today. So, yeah. And then, I also pick up this BIC Intensity na permanent markers. Meron siyang 3 colors, yung red, green, at saka silver. So, ayan. Ganda siya. And then, I also get this 36 Deluxe gift tags. Diba ang ganda niya? Meron siyang 36 piece inside tags. And then, ano siya, $4.98. Tapos, less 50%. So, magkano na lang siya. Kayo na mag-compute. Kasi, mahina tayo dyan. And then, I also pick up this peel and stick gift tags. 36 pieces din siya. Diba, ang ganda niya. Oh, same lang ata eh. Yeah, it's the same. Tapos, ano siya, $1.98. Then, minus 50% off. And then, this one, my husband picked this off. Yung, ano, lid flame bulb. Ano siya, ano tawag nito? It's flaming, look like bulb. Simulates a natural flame. And it's easy to use. Simply screw into any A26 light socket. Great for holidays and year-round use. Safe and energy-saving LED lights. So, yan. So, di ba ang ganda? Para talaga siyang merong flame sa loob. So, I pick up those. And then, I also pick up this 10 gift boxes. Yan yung design ng box. Ito rin. Diba ang ganda? Ano siya? Meron siyang 3 sizes dito sa loob. Tapos 10. And its original price nito is $3.47. Tapos minus 50% siya today. So, yeah. Oh, I also grabbed this one. And ano, hand soap. Ano siya, yung holiday collection nila. So, ayan. Isa lang kinuha ko. I just wanna try kung mabango ba. And the last thing that I grabbed is this. Diba ang ganda? And this is the kitchen rag. Diba ang ganda niya, guys? Yung snowman. And I got this for $4 and some change. Yeah. Kasi for ano siya, 50% off. So yeah. So that's it. That's all we get from Walmart. And yeah, that's all. So dito na magtatapos ang ating haul, ating Walmart 50% haul. So thank you again for watching, and hopefully nag-enjoy kayo sa video natin. And if you do, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you again next time. Bye!